Me and Truth the Root is out here listening to the rain. You say what?
I listen to the rain.
You listen to the rain?
Outside.
Yes. You like the sound of rain.
It's raining out here.
Raining out here, y'all.
I can't see it.
Huh?
It's raining, y'all.
Yeah, it's raining.
I can't see it.
Truth the Root just ate all his food. He ate all his mashed potatoes and chicken nugget dinner.
I can't.
See?
Eh,
Got his toy, y'all. If y'all don't see nothing else, you gonna always see him with a toy.